Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu reports, in a ghazwa we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A large number of emigrants had surrounded him. One of the emigrants was an extremely jovial fellow. He just for fun stroked an emigrant on his hips. The Ansari got exasperated at it till both of them started calling their people. The Ansari, the helper, called out, "Help, O the group of Ansars!" The emigrants called out, "Help, O the group of emigrants!" So the Prophet ﷺ went towards them and said, "What is this call of the pre-Islamic period of ignorance?" Then he ﷺ said, "Tell me what the matter is." So he was told about the emigrants' blow to the Ansari. The reporter says that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Stop it, for it is an evil thing." Abdullah bin Ubay bin Salul, the chief of the hypocrites, said, "We have been wronged. So when we return to Medina, the most honorable people will surely expel there from the most disgraced." Whereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should we kill this evil person Abdullah?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Don't do so, lest the people should say that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam slays his companions." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3518.